This is a good investment for people that sit for a long time that lose the risk for a blood clots. Hi friends, go back again, Enrique76. Thank you for watching my videos. Today I have an unboxing review for UBLIVES SoleFlux Relax. Let's open the box. Include two SoleFlux control units, two legs attachments, and two Type-C cables, and manual. You connect here. This is the far you got it touching here. It's right there. In case you want to disconnect it, you can push those buttons and disconnect it. You see? That's it. But now they got it connected for show you right there. And this is the cable you plug in here. And this not included. So connect over here. It's charging. Charge it for 2.5 hours. Use it for 20 minutes a day. Battery lasts about 10 days. You don't need any apps or wires. Easy to use for any age. Smart fit and adjust to fit your leg size and the smart pressure for the massage force. Here you press less or more pressure. You can put less here. You can put more. Friend, this is good massage after work. This feels so good. You relax all your muscles. Before the massage, my muscles was sore and stiff. After the massage, I don't feel my muscles tension. This improves blood circulation. You don't have to pay for the massage. You're comfortable at home. Click in the link below for 20% discount, and you will receive a free hyper bag like this worth $120. You can use it for handbag style or backpack style or crossbody style. Friends, you can use it for a gym bag. You see they fit a lot of stuff in here. You can put your shoes in the side. See, little stuff in here, your books. And right here you have 2 more pockets. You can put your glasses over here. You got another one over here. You can put storage anything you want, you see. You can put your phone in here. It's the phone. You can take it here when you travel. You put the garbage here. Put the other one here too. And the cables you can put here inside. Or here. Or here. You have 2 zippers. This is the first one, it's not here. It's got to be in the second one, in here. And it's right here. Okay, so we close here. They have a 90-day return guarantee if you are not satisfied. Thank you friends for the support. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for the likes, and see you on another video.